In this video, we listed the 5 red light therapy tools that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. CurrentBody Skin LED Light Therapy Mask, Series 2. Experience younger looking, more radiant skin with the CurrentBody LED device, designed to boost collagen production and visibly reduce fine lines, wrinkles, and redness. Its upgraded light coverage delivers the brand's signature instant glow, giving your complexion a healthier, smoother, and brighter appearance. Featuring an advanced layout of 236 LED bulbs across 3 clinically recognized wavelengths: red, 633 nanometers, near-infrared, 830 nanometers, and the new deep near-infrared, 1072 nanometers. This device maximizes skin renewal benefits. The flexible, best-fit liquid silicone design ensures exceptional comfort and full face coverage, tested on thousands of face shapes. For added confidence, every mask includes a Veritase's NFC card that verifies individual device performance. Please review all contraindications in the product description before purchasing or using this device. Number 2. Qure Light Therapy Mask. The Qure LED mask is an FDA-cleared, hands-free skincare device designed to treat acne, fine lines, wrinkles, and dark spots in fast, wireless 3-minute sessions. Safe for all Fitzpatrick skin types, 1 to 6. It uses 5 clinically proven wavelengths: amber 605 nanometers, red 630 nanometers, deep red 660 nanometers, blue 415 nanometers, and infrared 880 nanometers to target collagen production, pigmentation, acne-causing bacteria, and redness for firmer, clearer, and more even-toned skin. With 3 treatment modes: pro-aging, anti-breakout, and custom mode, you can personalize each session across 5 facial zones for truly tailored care. The companion Qure app enhances your routine by offering customizable settings, per-zone programs, progress tracking, reminders, and step-by-step tutorials. Built with 160 dual-core LEDs, an adjustable strap, and included protective eyewear, the mask ensures comfort and consistent light delivery. Its ultra-fast routine, 1-button start, automatic 3-minute shut-off, and easy wipe-clean surface make it effortless to fit into any morning or evening regimen. Number 3. Fxtiaa LED Face Light Therapy Panel. Experience salon-level skincare at home with this 7-in-1 LED face mask light therapy device, designed to rejuvenate and care for your face, neck, hands, and body. Equipped with 287 high-output light beads and a 180 degrees light source, it delivers full coverage treatment using 7 LED colors: red, green, blue, purple, cyan, yellow, and white, each tailored for different skin concerns and types. With 7 individual colors and 3 combination modes, users can customize their routine for firming, brightening, calming, or clarifying results. For best performance, use the mask 2 to 3 times per week for 10 to 20 minutes to enjoy professional, gentle, and effective 3-dimensional skincare at home. Durable, reusable, and simple to set up, it's suitable for both men and women. Please note that some internal wires may be tucked into the openings and may need to be pulled out for proper connection. Committed to quality and customer satisfaction, this LED beauty tool helps you elevate your skincare routine and enjoy healthier, more radiant skin. Number 4. TheraFace Pro Red Light Therapy Tools. The TheraFace Pro is an advanced, all-in-one facial massage and skincare device designed to elevate your daily routine with ease and efficiency. Built with durable polycarbonate and weighing just 2.23 pounds, it combines TheraBody's decade of innovation with expert-backed wellness technology to deliver healthier-looking, glowing skin in as little as 12 weeks. Clinically proven to lift and firm the skin while reducing fine lines, wrinkles, and improving overall texture and radiance, this device adapts effortlessly to your changing skin needs. Its snap-on magnetic treatment rings allow you to seamlessly customize or combine treatments, from anti-aging and cleansing to soothing facial massage, offering complete flexibility against breakouts, tension, or signs of aging. The TheraBody app serves as your personal skincare guide with esthetician-designed routines and expert-led tutorials for optimal results. Beautifully packaged and incredibly versatile, the TheraFace Pro also makes a thoughtful and wellness-inspired holiday gift for any occasion. Number 5. Dr. Dennis Gross Skincare SpectraLite FaceWare Pro. The Dr. Dennis Gross FaceWare Pro is a hands-free LED mask designed to deliver smoother, more radiant-looking skin using a powerful combination of 100 red LEDs and 62 blue LEDs. Suitable for combination skin, this innovative device enhances the appearance of luminosity and refreshes the complexion with consistent use. After cleansing, simply place the mask comfortably on your face, secure the strap, and choose from red, blue, or red plus blue light settings for a quick 3-minute treatment. For charging, use the included USB-C cord with a USB-A power source, avoiding high-powered adapters to protect the battery. Created by renowned skincare expert Dr. Dennis Gross, with over 25 years of experience in advanced cosmetic skincare, this device offers a professional-level approach to achieving healthy, glowing skin at home.